What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. Second job of the day. Resoiled. So we're using carpet detail. I did pump it up with a little pH, little sample that in-cap store gave me. Dig it out. Dragon Citrus Sapphire, 10 pH. So I did pump it up there. Hopefully make a nice easy clean and test the stuff out, see how well it works. But regardless, I think it's going to come out looking great. We're doing the hallway upstairs, the stairs, and the downstairs area. I'll focus on filming more of the downstairs. So we already pre-sprayed, about to pre-scrub, and I'm going to pull up the hoses and stuff, get started. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. Already looks a million times better just with the agitation. Using the Power Fight today. The other machine, the Namco, is out of commission right now. Total by accident, went underneath the bed with the Namco and picked up a Lego, and the Lego got crammed between the brush and the drum. Which stripped out one of the gears. So I called the company, the place actually that manufactured them, and it's got a 1-year warranty, so they just shipped the part out to me for free. I should be getting it today, and just it's an easy fix, so be back in action with that. So the main thing to do when you come across really soiled carpet like this is make sure you do a frontwards and backwards rinse. I mean holding the solution down, frontwards and backwards. And then make sure you do a dry short salter like he's doing. If you come across a part of the room where it doesn't have any traffic, just pulling the solution, the trigger down on the way back, rather than both frontwards and backwards, it's all necessary. Especially when you're using encapsulation type formulas like I use. Any residue left over crystallizes and can be vacuumed up later instead of leaving a soapy residue. So if you're using a soapy residue product, which you shouldn't be nowadays, well, I can't say that. There's a lot of high pH stuff out there. So, anyway, you gotta make sure you do a rinse, good rinse on it. So the reason why carpets are left dirty or things pop back up next week, even a day later, is because the solution wasn't rinsed out good enough. That's why if you stick to the safe stuff, encapsulation formulas, then you're good. All right, what do you think, guys? I think that addition really helped out on that pre-spray. I don't know if the carpet detail would have did the same thing, but sometimes just adding that to it saves a lot of time. Pumping up the pH is what I mean. That's it, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put down some Scotch Guard for the customer and be out of here. But yep, turned out great. Another one. Yeah, so it's the carpet details pumped up by the Dragon Niche Citrus, and it's pH 10 by Bonnet. By Incap store. So I do have the link to all products I use below my video. So I get a lot of people asking me, hey, where do I find this? It's a link below my videos. You see the link to all the products I used, or tools and solutions I use. Click on that. It's going to take you to a page to where you can find all this stuff. So, all right, see you in the next one.